MakeBox is able to be jumped to by using the hotkey of J. So I'm just using the D-pie to jump over to circle, and we'll jump off this point and I'll press J before the extrusion in order to extrude this out, and just like that I'm able to quickly create a make. And so after the make, it jumped back to cut, where I'm able to cut inside of it again, and then I can just grab this dot that's been created in the center and jump back out once again. Notice that whenever I go into a join operation, that whenever I bevel, it bevels on the outside. Sometimes whenever you're joining shapes, you may find yourself wanting to flip the shape on the Z-axis. So that is where the hotkey of Shift F comes in, for being able to flip a shape inside of itself but below on the Z, which sometimes can come in handy. So just like that, you can just quickly draw a shape, convert over to a join on the fly, and from there just go forward with all your union needs.